Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Instagram account on computer. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search in Google Instagram, and then you need to open the first website, and here you need to click on don't have an account, click on sign up. Then you need to enter your email address here and put your full name. Then you need to enter your username and click on that. So you can select, so let me select this username. Okay, and after that you need to enter your password. So let me enter, and if you want to see, you can click on show. Then you need to click on sign up in the bottom, and here you need to select your date of birth. So I'm going to select my date of birth for an example. So let me select the year first, also here from here. So we are going to select 1998. Then you need to click on next, and here you need to enter the confirmation code from the Gmail. So open Gmail address from here, and you can get the code that you need to enter here. So let me select the account. Okay, and here you can see that I receive a code, so I simply need to copy that and paste that here and click on next and wait for a few seconds. My account will be created soon. So now it is loading, and here you can see that my Instagram account is created with the new username. So here you can see that. So this is a process by which you can create Instagram account on computer. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.